Why don't we tell secrets during fitness training because it might leak out during the sweat session? Now, as we wipe off the laughter-induced sweat, let's delve into the world of lifestyle and wellness. In our journey today, we'll explore the often underappreciated cornerstones of health and well-being. We start with the silent hero of fitness, sleep. It's not just about catching some Z's, but how this restful time can significantly impact your fitness goals. Then we'll quench our thirst for knowledge about hydration. It's more than just sipping water. It's about understanding its vital role in our overall health. Next, we'll strike the right chord between work and fitness. Balancing a busy schedule with physical activity might seem challenging, but we'll show you how it's done. Finally, we'll navigate through the ways to incorporate physical activity into your bustling life. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each of these aspects and uncover how they contribute to a healthier you. Sleep. It's not just for beauty, but for fitness too. We've all heard the old adage, beauty sleep, but did you know that sleep is also an essential part of your fitness routine? Yes, indeed. Your workouts don't end when you leave the gym. They continue into the night during those precious hours of restful slumber. Let's delve a bit deeper into the role of sleep in fitness. The first thing we need to understand is what happens to our bodies when we sleep. During this time, our bodies go into repair mode, healing the damage done during the day and preparing for the challenges of tomorrow. This is especially crucial after a tough workout when your muscles need time to recover and grow. Quality sleep provides the optimal environment for this recovery process. It's during the deep, restful stages of sleep that growth hormone is released. This hormone, aptly named, plays a key role in muscle growth and repair. So if you're hitting the gym hard but skimping on sleep, you're essentially shortchanging your fitness progress. But it's not just about muscle growth and recovery. Sleep also has a significant impact on your energy levels. Ever tried to power through a workout after a night of poor sleep? It's like trying to run a marathon with a flat tire. Your performance dips, your motivation wanes, and those weights suddenly feel a whole lot heavier. Sleep deprivation can also mess with your metabolism. Research shows that lack of sleep can lead to increased levels of ghrelin, the hormone that signals hunger, and decreased levels of leptin, the hormone that tells you when you're full. This hormonal imbalance can lead to overeating and weight gain, throwing a wrench in your fitness goals. So, how much sleep do we need? Well, while it can vary from person to person, the general consensus is somewhere between 7 to 9 hours each night. But remember, it's not just about the quantity of sleep, but also the quality. Creating a sleep-friendly environment can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. This means a cool, dark, and quiet room. Consider investing in blackout curtains or a white noise machine if necessary. Also, try to establish a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day can help regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up refreshed. Additionally, it's not just about what you do in the hours leading up to bedtime that can impact your sleep quality. What you eat and drink can also have an effect. For instance, consuming caffeine or alcohol close to bedtime can interfere with your ability to fall asleep or stay asleep. On the other hand, certain foods can promote better sleep. Foods high in magnesium, like almonds and spinach, can help induce a feeling of calm. Tart cherry juice has been shown to increase levels of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. And the age-old advice of drinking warm milk before bed, there may be some truth to it. Dairy products contain tryptophan, an amino acid that can help promote sleep. And let's not forget about the role of physical activity in promoting good sleep. Regular exercise can help regulate your sleep patterns and improve sleep quality. Just be mindful not to exercise too close to bedtime, as it can leave you feeling energized and make it harder to fall asleep. Now, we understand that life can get busy, and 8 hours of sleep might seem like a luxury, but remember, sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's an integral part of your fitness routine, just as important as your workouts and your diet, so don't skimp on it. To sum it all up, sleep is the unsung hero of fitness. It aids in recovery and muscle growth, impacts your energy levels and workout performance, and can even influence your metabolism. So, if you're serious about your fitness goals, make sure you're giving your body the rest it needs. Remember, the first step to your fitness journey might just be getting a good night's sleep. Water. It's not just to quench your thirst, but to fuel your health. Now let's dive into the ocean of hydration and its role in our health. It's easy to overlook, but our bodies are primarily made up of water. Around 60% to be exact. That's more than half of us. So it stands to reason that water plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. Every cell, tissue, and organ in your body needs water to work efficiently. Without it, we wouldn't be able to perform even the most basic functions. Think about it. Our bodies use water in all its cells, organs, and tissues to help regulate temperature and maintain other bodily functions. Now let's talk about the benefits of drinking enough water daily. The first and most obvious one is that it prevents dehydration. When your body doesn't have enough water, it can lead to dehydration, which can drain your energy and make you feel tired. So, if you're feeling a bit sluggish, it might not be coffee you need, but a tall glass of water. Water also aids in digestion. It helps break down food so your body can absorb the nutrients. Plus, it can help prevent constipation by softening the stool and helping everything move more smoothly. If you've ever felt bloated or had indigestion, a lack of water could be to blame. But that's not all. Water also plays a crucial role in maintaining body temperature. When we get hot, we sweat, and that sweat helps to cool us down. But if we're dehydrated, we can't sweat as much, and our body temperature can rise, leading to heat stroke or heat exhaustion. Now let's not forget about the role water plays in physical performance. When we exercise, we lose water through sweat. If we don't replace that water, our performance can suffer. We may feel fatigued, have muscle cramps, or experience dizziness. And here's something you might not know. Drinking water can even help with weight loss. When our bodies are well hydrated, our metabolism works better. Plus, sometimes when we think we're hungry, we're actually just thirsty. So the next time you're reaching for a snack, try drinking a glass of water first. You might find that's all you needed. Water also helps to keep our skin looking good. It helps to moisturize our skin, keep it fresh, soft, and smooth. It's the best anti-aging treatment around. Furthermore, water helps your kidneys. Body fluids transport waste products in and out of cells. Your kidneys do an amazing job of cleansing and ridding your body of toxins as long as your intake of fluids is adequate. And finally, water helps to boost our mood. Dehydration can affect your mood and make you grumpy and confused, so keep your brain happy by drinking water. How much water should you drink? Well, it varies from person to person, but a general rule of thumb is to aim for 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day. That's about 2 liters or half a gallon. This is known as the 8x8 rule and is easy to remember. But remember, if you're exercising or if it's a hot day, you might need more. As you can see, water is more than just a thirst quencher. It's a vital part of our health and well-being. It's involved in so many of our body's functions, from digestion and temperature regulation to physical performance and mood regulation. So, the next time you're feeling a bit off, instead of reaching for a coffee or a snack, try a glass of water. You might be surprised at how much better you feel. And remember, it's not just about drinking when you're thirsty. Making sure you're consistently hydrating throughout the day is key to maintaining good health. So, make sure to drink up. Your body will thank you. Are you enjoying the video so far? Great! If you're finding this content helpful, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up. Liking the video really supports the work we're doing here. It's a small action from your end that makes a big difference on ours. And hey, why not subscribe while you're at it? This channel is brimming with content just like this, designed to guide you through your wellness journey. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll be the first to know when we share new insights. Lastly, we're eager to hear your thoughts. Got a question? Have a wellness tip you'd love to share? Or perhaps you have a topic you'd like us to explore in a future video? The comment section is the perfect place for all that and more. Now let's continue with our wellness journey. Work-life balance. Let's add fitness into the equation. Now that's a phrase that can raise a few eyebrows. We've all heard about the importance of maintaining a work-life balance. But where does fitness factor into this equation? How can we possibly squeeze in time for a workout when we're already juggling a demanding job and a bustling personal life? Well, let's dive into this conundrum. The first thing we need to understand is why fitness should be a priority. Regular physical activity is essential for our overall well-being. It boosts our energy levels, improves our mood, helps us manage stress, and even enhances our cognitive functions. And let's not forget that it's a powerful weapon against a host of health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. So it's clear that fitness is a non-negotiable part of a healthy lifestyle. But how do we fit it into our already jam-packed schedules? That's the million-dollar question. But don't worry, we've got some answers. The key to incorporating fitness into a busy schedule is to be flexible and creative. We often imagine fitness as spending an hour at the gym, but it doesn't have to be that way. Physical activity can take many forms, and it's about finding what works for you. How about turning your commute into a workout? If your office is within a reasonable distance, consider walking or cycling to work instead of driving. Not only will this provide a good cardio workout, but it'll also save you the stress of rush hour traffic. And if you work from home, use the time you typically spend commuting to squeeze in a quick workout. Another strategy is to utilize lunch breaks effectively. Instead of scrolling through social media or catching up on the latest news, why not go for a brisk walk? Or better yet, find a quiet spot and do a quick yoga session. You'd be surprised at how refreshed and energized you'll feel afterward. For those who find it hard to carve out time during the day, early morning workouts could be the solution. Yes, it might be tough to drag yourself out of bed at first, but it's an excellent way to kickstart your day. And the best part? You get your workout done and dusted before the day's responsibilities begin to pile up. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: work. With deadlines to meet and targets to achieve, work can often take precedence over everything else. But remember, it's crucial to strike a balance. Consider incorporating mini workouts into your workday. Simple exercises like desk push-ups or chair squats can go a long way in keeping you active. And don't forget the importance of regular breaks. Stand up, stretch, move around. It's good for your body and your mind. While these tips can help you squeeze fitness into your schedule, it's equally important to maintain a positive mindset. Remember that every bit of physical activity counts, no matter how small. So don't beat yourself up if you can't stick to a rigorous workout routine. What matters is that you're making an effort to stay active. And finally, don't underestimate the power of rest. Overworking yourself, whether it's at your job or your workout, can do more harm than good. So listen to your body. If it's telling you it needs a break, give it one. Fitness is not about punishing your body, it's about taking care of it. Remember, balance is the key to a healthy lifestyle. Balancing work, life, and fitness may seem like a Herculean task, but with a bit of planning, flexibility, and a whole lot of determination, it's definitely achievable. So, go ahead, add fitness into your work-life equation. Your body and mind will thank you. Physical activity. It's not just about hitting the gym. What comes to mind when you think of physical activity? For many, it's heavy weights, treadmills, and sweat-soaked gym clothes. But physical activity stretches beyond the confines of a fitness center. It's about moving your body, keeping your heart pumping, and your muscles working. It's about incorporating movement into your daily life in ways that align with your schedule, your interests, and your goals. Physical activity is a multifaceted concept, and it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's walking to the grocery store instead of driving. It's taking the stairs instead of the elevator. It's gardening, dancing in the living room, or playing chase with your kids. It's anything that gets your body moving and your heart rate up. And why is this so important? Regular physical activity has a multitude of health benefits. It can help manage weight, reduce the risk of heart disease, strengthen bones and muscles, and improve mental health and mood. It can even increase your chances of living longer. In short, physical activity is a key component of a healthy lifestyle. But how can you incorporate more movement into a busy schedule? It's all about being intentional and creative. Here are a few tips. First, make movement a part of your routine. Start your day with a brisk walk or a quick workout. Use your lunch break to stretch or take a short jog. End your day with some yoga or dancing. Making physical activity a regular part of your day can make it feel less like a chore and more like a habit. Next, try to find ways to move while you're working. If you're in an office, stand up and walk around every half hour. If you're working from home, do some light exercises during your breaks. If you're on a call, walk around instead of sitting. Another tip is to turn social events into opportunities for movement. Instead of meeting friends for coffee, why not meet for a walk or a run? Instead of sitting at a restaurant, why not have a picnic in the park and play some frisbee? You can also make use of technology to help you move more. There are countless apps and gadgets that can remind you to move, track your steps, or guide you through quick workouts. They can provide motivation and make physical activity more fun and engaging. Remember, it's not about how much you move, but how often. Even small amounts of physical activity can add up to big benefits. So don't be discouraged if you can't do a full workout. Just move. Every step, every stretch, every dance move counts. Also, it's important to find activities that you enjoy. Physical activity shouldn't be a punishment. It should be something that you look forward to. So if you hate running, don't run. Find something else that you love. Maybe it's dancing, swimming, cycling, or hiking. When you enjoy what you're doing, you're more likely to stick with it. Lastly, Be patient with yourself. Incorporating more physical activity into your life is a journey, not a destination. Some days will be easier than others. Some days you'll move more, some days less, and that's okay. What matters is that you're making an effort to move more and sit less. So let's redefine what physical activity means. Let's make it a part of our everyday lives, not just something we do at the gym. Let's move more, sit less, and reap the benefits of a more active lifestyle. So keep moving and keep improving. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the description box. It's brimming with our top picks for health products that can support your wellness journey. From soothing sleep aids to hydration boosters, and even fitness gear to help you incorporate physical activity into your busy schedule. It's all there for you. In this video, we've covered the essential elements of lifestyle and wellness. We've delved into the importance of quality sleep and how it impacts your fitness. We've quenched the thirst for knowledge about the role hydration plays in overall health. We've balanced the scales between work and fitness, and we've shown you how to squeeze in physical activity, even on the busiest of days. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Stay healthy and keep striving for wellness.